Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I explain how to reset Windows Defender in Windows 11. Resetting Windows Defender is very important for many users, especially if you're experiencing issues such as the app not opening, some features not working properly, or the app crashing frequently. Sometimes, Windows security settings can become corrupted due to updates or conflicts with other apps. In such cases, resetting Windows Defender can return everything to its default state. I'll explain the steps to reset Windows Defender in Windows 11, step by step. The first thing you need to do is open Windows 11 Settings. Click the Start menu and select Settings. Then click on System on the left side, as this section contains many options that control system components and overall performance. Then on the right side, scroll down and click System Components. Here you'll find built-in system applications, such as Windows Security. In the Components list, look for Windows Security. Next to it, you'll see a small dotted button, which resembles a menu with 3 dots. Click it and select Advanced Options. Then scroll down until you see the Reset section. First click the Repair button and wait for it to complete. Then click the Reset button to restore Windows Security to its original default state. A confirmation message will appear. Click Reset again to complete the process. Wait a few seconds for the Windows Defender reset process to complete. This method is quick and doesn't require any commands, making it ideal for users who prefer using the graphical interface. After completion, you'll find that Windows Defender has been successfully reset. I also have another method for users who prefer to use the command line through the PowerShell window, which is also easy and fast. So open the PowerShell window as an administrator. It is very important to open PowerShell with administrator privileges. Otherwise, a reset command will not work. Then enter the command shown on the screen, and I'll leave the command in the video description. Then press Enter to execute the command. PowerShell will process the command and reset the Windows security application. This may take a few moments, and once complete, Windows Defender will be restored to its default settings, just as it was when Windows was first installed. That's it for today's video. I've shown you 2 different ways to reset Windows Defender in Windows 11. This will resolve many common issues and restore the application to its original state. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.